Today I would like to introduce the new Alpha 500 and 700 Pro. I will show you what we have changed in our successful model and how you can benefit from it. But first, a few exciting facts and figures about the Alpha. More than 900 machines have now been installed in over 30 countries worldwide. Designed as a mark-free universal delivery with impressive work ergonomics and high operating comfort, it didn't take long for the Alpha to establish itself in print companies that are highly performance-oriented on one hand, but on the other hand also cultivated careful contact with their own employees. The outstanding price-performance ratio has always been and continues to be at the center of attention. Never before was performance, quality, and ease of operation been so affordable and free of marking. Nowadays, the premium manufacturers Heidelberg and MBO rely on the quality and unique properties of the Alpha. And here is the new machine. In its form, the Alpha impresses us with clear lines and smooth surfaces. The internal qualities are consistently continued in the design. Functionally, the Alpha is even easier and more intuitive to operate, even more powerful and prepared for the requirement of the future. It's equipped with a digital interface for system integration. The Alpha is impressive with its clear and easy-to-understand processes, supported by the sensible use of electronics and smart mechanical solutions. The proven menu navigation has been perfected with the Alpha Pro and thus enables even the inexperienced operators to set up and optimize the machine. Reasonable automation and sophisticated mechanical adjustment aids are convincing. Setup is simple, intuitive, and fast. Using the Alpha Pro saves time, is safer, and the operator quickly achieves the desired result. For us, performance does not simply mean higher, faster, or further. The Alpha Pro enables the production machine to be fully programmed. The operator is relieved of his workload and can operate the folding machine by the highest level during his working hours. The cycle time of the Alpha Pro has been increased by 10%. If necessary, an even faster version is available as an option. The jogging result has been significantly improved. This is particularly important for further automation following the Alpha Pro. The new Alpha Pro processed products in single sheet mode at 16,000 copies per hour without the need to adjust parameters or mechanics. You protect your operators and at the same time produce at the highest level. With the Palamides interface, intelligent and deep integration into a wide variety of production machines is possible without unnecessarily increasing the price of the basic machine. The application determines how the Alpha Pro is to be operated. We are very proud of the new Alpha Pro, which will continue the tradition of the Alpha Plus.